Have you ever wondered about the capabilities of the Iranian Shahed-136, also known as the suicide drone? This sophisticated piece of technology has been making headlines for its role in various conflict zones around the globe. The Shahed-136 is a loitering munition, a type of drone designed for a very specific purpose. Unlike conventional drones, a loitering drone is not merely a vehicle for surveillance or delivery. It is, in fact, the weapon itself. The Shahed-136 can fly like any other drone, but it has a unique capability. It can be directed at specific targets, and upon reaching its destination, it detonates on impact. And this drone is relatively simple to operate and is cost-effective, making it a popular choice among various factions. It's equipped with a small explosive payload, which limits its effectiveness for deep strike attacks, but makes it ideal for precision strikes against specific targets. The drone has an impressive range, reaching up to 1,250 miles. This allows operators to strike at locations that might otherwise be out of reach. The Shahed-136 doesn't just fly straight to its target, though. It loiters in the air, hence the name Loitering Munition. This means it can stay airborne, circling an area for an extended period, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Its slow and low-flying nature can be a disadvantage, making it an easier target for anti-drone systems. However, its ability to loiter can also serve to confuse enemy defenses, making it a formidable weapon. The impact of the Shahed-136 has been felt in various regions, most notably in the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine. The drone has been used by Russian forces to strike Ukrainian cities, showcasing its range and precision. Its use has also been reported in the Middle East, where it has caused significant damage to commercial tankers. The Shahed-136 has been a tool of choice for the proxy forces of Iran, where it has been used by Iran-backed Houthi rebels in Yemen, as well as in Saudi Arabia and Iraq. Its relative ease of use and cost-effectiveness make it a popular choice among these groups. In summary, the Iranian Shahed-136, or suicide drone, is a loitering munition designed to strike specific targets with precision. Its ability to stay airborne for extended periods, combined with its range and cost-effectiveness, make it a formidable weapon in modern warfare. Despite its small payload, its impact has been felt in conflicts across the globe, from the Middle East to Eastern Europe. Its role in these conflicts highlights the evolving nature of warfare and the increasing reliance on unmanned systems.